Hello, dear mothers. Last week I had a very exhausting week, so I wanted to de stress myself. So, when I heard my hubby is going to visit a heart close by, so I thought of accompanying him because taking a short trip is a stress buster for me. So, as I accompanied him, thinking that I will be able to see many things on that heart, but reaching there, I was little disappointed because of coronavirus. Heart did not have many vendors. Many less vendors were there, and although we had actually gone there to find authentic seeds, as the source had told us, we found the shopkeeper and we procured also. It was very good, and the vegetables market were also very good. I could find very fresh vegetables, but all the site was very good, and immediately I was de-stressed visiting these places. So wonderful idea. So suggesting all the mothers also, whenever you are going through any kind of stress, immediately go out and have a stroll. That will immediately reduce your stress, and that way you can help out yourself. And I did not get enough time to shoot, but promising to all the mothers that next week I am going to update. I am going to make a video on de-stressing steps for mothers. So also requesting, if you have liked this video, please do subscribe, like and subscribe, and see I'm learning actually. And also press the bell icon so that whenever I am uploading new videos, you can get it first. So puja is around the corner. Enjoy the puja, enjoy good foods, and have a lovely time together. Hi, dear viewers. Hope you can see me properly. Exposure is okay, I think. Yes. Yeah, I have gone out. My hubby is driving, and today we are going to a fair, close by fair. Let's see what we can get out there. So I was not been able to take a shoot this week, so thought of doing this video, share some clips of my tour to the fair close by. So let's get going.
A few minutes later.
Hello, so I have come. I'll take you where I have come. I'll take you there. So can you see at my backdrop there is a big huge elephant. So we'll go and we'll find out what all things are there. Okay. So before going to the fair, we thought of dropping here and finding out some things for the school. That is why we have come here. We'll show you what all things are there. These are the manufacturers of the slave and all these things they are making. The playing equipment. Nice factory. Okay, viewers, so this is a new thing. Thought of showing you all. Good. So little glimpses I'm giving you, and from there we'll go to the Dr. Pukul Heart. So, and we'll find out what all things are available in those hearts. Okay. Yes, dear friends, so we have come to this Dottopukur Haat, and Dottopukur's, I'll tell you, it is in West Bengal, North Chobbish Pargana. So I have come to this Haat, but it is not open yet and it will take time to start. I think it will pick up from 5 o'clock. So I'll just have a look. So these are the shops where the people will come and showcase their products. I think so. So I'll join you. We can see, we can see the market here. So it's picking up slowly, slowly. Vendors are coming and taking their places. Yes. Nice. I'll go around and I'll show you. The vegetables are also looking very fresh. So this is it, friends. I thought I will be able to show many people, but these are all. But still I can find many people are there. This is the hut and it is sitting on Saturday and Wednesday. So from all the sides of farmers come with their vegetables and they showcase their product here and they sell. So we have also come, let's see if we can find something different vegetables from our local market, then I'll also pick up. Let's see. And it has to have cost effective prices also. Let's see. The colors are very nice. For the first time I'm shooting like this. I don't know how it will come.
কিসের জন্য তোলা হচ্ছে
এমনি
এমনি
হ্যাঁ
এমনি অন্য কিছু বলে অন্য কিছু হলে তুলবেন না
না অন্য কিছু না
তাহলে তুলেন সারাদিন মন
আপনাদের হ্যাঁ আপনাদের ভালোর জন্যই তোলা হচ্ছে না রিপোর্টার না বাবা আমি ইন্ডিভিজুয়াল ইউটিউবার নাইস tomatoes are looking very nice
আমাদের একবার বলে দেবে কি যে হাট হবে না ওখানে গিয়ে বলো
so all are looking so
আর আমাদের আগে থাকতে একটা কমেডি করতে হবে
the colors are all so vibrant no beautiful okay dada আমি আপনার থেকে এখানে পালং শাকটা নেব হ্যাঁ so he's telling 8 rupees for a bunch. I'll take this spinach because normally we are not getting in our local market, so I'll take some. And today, friends, all the vendors have not sat here because of some problem. I don't know, but I have also come for the first time. So let us see. So I'll collect some vegetables from here. So dear friends, mostly people come here to collect all the seeds for vegetables. These are actually readily available here. So the vendor is here, he is selling and people come here. See all the seeds you can see. Small quantity, large quantity you can take from here. This is the hut which sits mainly on Saturdays. Today is Saturday. So I'll take you to other shops also. So these crates also, these are sold in which you can keep these vendors, they keep vegetables and all. So all handcrafted. Jhudi. In Bengali we call it jhudi. Thank you. This is Shumita Paul, educationist and principal of St. Stephen's School, signing off for today till we meet again. Thank you. God bless you.